Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage invite requests here in Basecamp. Let's say, for example, a team leader or project owner invited you to join their Basecamp project. Okay. Let's say this is the account of the owner or the project manager invited you as someone who works at the same company. Okay. I'm going to add in your name, maybe Ryan R. Email address. I'm going to enter your email address right here. And then the job title, maybe you are an editor. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on email now. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on set up which projects they can see or you can see. Maybe just one project right here. I'm going to tick on it and I'm going to set you to on the project. This means that you can access everything. You can invite someone or basically control the whole project. Okay. If you're just set to following, well, there are a ton of restrictions. Now going back, I'm going to go ahead and hit on save changes right here. So you are now invited. Okay. So what you can do as the person who was invited, you're going to want to go ahead and check your email. Then as you can see here, it says Ryan Christian, which is me, the owner or the project manager, invited you to Basecamp. And this is the company name. So I'm going to click on this message. And as you can see here, you can just easily click on join Ryan in Basecamp. If you prefer not to participate, you can click on decline this invitation right here. All right. When you go ahead and scroll down, you'll be able to see the recent messages that was sent, to-do list, the posts, emails, like email forwards, and the uploaded files. All right. Now, if you're really sure that you want to join this specific company or project, you can now go ahead and click on join. Wait for it. Now go ahead and sign in. And as you can see here, as fast as that, you're now inside the project itself. Okay. There you go. And that is it. You can now go ahead and go to the message board or check the email forwards, check the docs, do whatever you want. Okay. That is how you manage invite request here in Basecamp. Now, when I go ahead over to the account manager's account, all right here, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. The invite message right here is now gone and you are now an editor. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.